Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today is my last day at home before I fly out to Greece to spend 4 months living on a boat and being a guest experience leader for MedSailors. So that means that I need to get ready and I want to show you guys what I'm bringing, pretty much anything I'm doing to get ready for a whole season in Greece. Just getting all the essentials, showing you guys around the boat that I will be living, just kind of settling into my new life in Greece. So if you're interested in that, keep watching. I will unfortunately have to start with packing my bag, and it's so difficult to kind of make decisions about this because I will have a uniform. I will be wearing t-shirts of them during the trips, and then I will have time off from Friday at about 5 p.m. until the Saturday like 10 a.m. which is not much, but I think it's still enough to put on a nice outfit and go and explore around the island of Corfu. So what I will definitely need is shorts and pants to wear underneath my uniform, then a few cute outfits for my days or time off, and then in the middle of the 4 months my parents will come and we will travel together for about 10 or 12 days as well. So I also need clothes and stuff for that time. So let's get started on this packing. Alright, so as usual, I have put everything on my bed and I have 3 long skirts here with 2 biker shorts that I can wear underneath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dresses, 1 smart shirt, 1 jean skirt, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trousers, 5 shorts, which I will need to wear underneath my uniform t-shirts. I have 1 oversized t-shirt there and pajamas, and then my beach cover-ups, 5 of them, my big sarong / beach towel, 2 hats, because why not? Then to stay warm, I have my go-to jacket, 1 sweater, 1 scarf, and a jeans jacket that I would love to bring as well. And then finally, all my tops that I want to bring. I have 5 white tops, 4 black tops, and then 4 colored tops as well. When you calculate that I'll only have 17 half days off, but then of course the trip with my parents as well, if I can fit it in, I'm bringing it. I am not done yet, however, because I still need quite a lot more to fit into the bag. First of all, my fins and snorkel, a raincoat, 2 sports outfits with my resistance bands, another hat, my shoes. I will be bringing my tevas to do the hiking, a smart pair of shoes, my slippers. I just bought these Havaianas. Some medication I can always top up whilst I'm there, my toiletries, although I will not be bringing as much as usual, shampoo, etc. I will simply buy once I get there. And I'll bring you to the shop with me to show you guys my toiletries once I'm there. But sunscreen is getting so expensive. These 5 together cost me 50 euros. My parents were on the lookout for a good deal. If I bought them full price, they would have cost me 80 altogether. Then some mosquito repellent. This is my powder for on my face, my SPF powder. I also bought a new comb for my hair. I really like the one my mom has, which does have the grip, but this one doesn't. And then I just have some basic bits like a toothbrush already, my tanning drops, some nail polish, just like some little bits and bobs that I have here anyways. And then of course my rash guard, bikini, 2 bathing suits, 4 bikini tops, and 6 bottoms. And that is it. Let's see if it all fits. You guys, I have never struggled as much to close this bag when I've never needed as little clothes. I still have some stuff left. I won't take all of the sunscreen. My parents can still bring me some for the second part of my work thing. Like, my parents are coming after 2 months, then we will go and travel for a bit together. So that's about halfway through the summer. So then they can come and bring me the rest of the sunscreen if I need more. And I still have a few bits left, which I will try and fit into my hand luggage. Which is just my, like my snorkel, my fins, stuff like that. I will take the drone this time, and my underwater camera and stuff, so yeah. All of that still has to come as well.
My mom then drove me to the city from where I got the airport shuttle bus. After a 3-hour journey, it was finally time to board my flight to Corfu. From the airport, I got the local bus to Corfu town, from where I got another one passing by my hostel.
I have checked into the local hostel for a night, and then I'm going to go and explore Corfu city center or Corfu town for a bit with one of my colleagues that I will be meeting on the Saturday.
The local hostel was great and very well equipped. I got the last essentials and then headed into town to explore. The first stop, of course, was the gyros shop. Corfu is very different to other parts of Greece because of the Venetian influences. I fell in love with Corfu town right away. Another local delicacy that I had to try was the kumquat cakes. Kumquat is a very popular product from Corfu.
Good morning, guys. Today is the day that I am meeting all my colleagues and that I start living on a boat. I got and grabbed myself a frappe, of course. I'm always happiest with a frappe in my hand, and also a croissant to have some breakfast and then head to the port for lunch and meeting everyone.
I took the bus to the marina, and after a short, sweaty walk, I met the crew and we checked into our home for the week.
Alright, on our first day we got settled in. We each got a cabin. I got a really nice cabin, one of the best ones with an ensuite.
I was very happy to get a stern cabin all to myself. There wasn't much room to stand and I had to climb into it, but at least I had an ensuite and I didn't have to share a room. This is what the rest of the boat looked like, which also was definitely not bad. This is one of the boats that in the season will be used for guests.
I really like the colleagues, everyone's super nice, we're getting along great. And yeah, we had a pizza night after doing some getting to know the boats and getting to know each other, and also how the company works, etc. And this morning again, we talked through the route, and now we are about to have lunch, and then they should be doing some exercises with the boats, like the parking and stuff, which I'm not very involved in at the moment. But yeah, my time will come.
After a lovely lunch and one last marina bathroom visit, it was finally time to leave the marina. My first sailing lesson was about the anchor, and as we were on the bow, dolphins decided to join us. I could not believe it. We reached our first stop where I had my first proper Greek meal at the taverna, and I could not have been happier. In the morning, I decided to wake up early and go for a very chilly snorkel the next day. My early wake-up call was rewarded by seeing an eel and even an octopus. I hadn't seen one in so long. After this, we continued the week with lots of sailing and parking practice, throwing ropes and bonding over good food. If you want to see what a week on the MedSailors Ionian tour looks like, then definitely subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss next week's video. Thanks for watching!